So I'm new to the wholesale shopping world, but I want to show you what I recently found at Costco that I think are good deals. It is still weird to me to buy home goods here. That's why I don't love Walmart and Target. I like the foods, but let me dive into what I think are fantastic deals. Starting off, the pasta. You can buy 7 pounds of pasta here for $10. This is way better than supermarket pricing. You have a variety of options to go with. A lot of Barilla, a lot of other brands as well. Here's another 8 pounds for $10.50. This is a really great deal. Staying on the pasta topic per se, but their olive oil. I love cooking with this instead of extra virgin. The regular light olive oils are a little bit easier to cook with, but you can get over a gallon for $50. In the supermarket, this would cost me probably $80, but that's an insane price savings. Rayo's, you know I love these. This is a 2-person's dinner worth of food. That's just crazy. This is such a large portion. You could probably even get 4 people to eat twice with this. It's just crazy to me. 5 pounds of shredded mozzarella for $13. Fantastic deal. I go through mozzarella when I'm making grilled cheese and stuff. I think the paper towels are one of the best deals. These are 12 fairly large size rolls. They always have them because they're Kirkland brand, and they're $20. Way better than the supermarket. And then also Charmin is better. This is $27 for 30 toilet paper rolls. You can't beat that. They don't have all the brands, so obviously that's a caveat, but 4 pounds of shrimp for $21, heads on, so you could really make nice dishes. Their eggs and their dairy are really, really great. You got 2 dozen eggs here for $4 to $8. I'm just blown away by these prices. I don't normally like to buy in bulk like that, but these are really, really good deals. If you're going to do, a little candy bar sale, stand outside of school, sell them. You can buy this 30-pack for $25, sell them each for $2, you make a great profit. All of the candies in these aisles are pretty good. You got, almost 3 pounds here of candied nuts. The drinks are where I think the prices aren't fantastic just because you have to buy so many in bulk. But if that suits you and you have the space for them, a lot there. Don't get me started on the hot dogs. The price is great, but seeded buns for a hot dog, hard no for me. Good price though. But let me know what you guys like to buy at Costco and what you think are great deals, because I'm very new to this and I love it.